Hello students, today we're going to be working on our poetry collage. We're doing this to work on our California State Standards English Language Arts 6 and 10, which state that we are incorporating technology through our writing, which today will be a short-term writing project. Today we're going to be using Canva, so you can always Google Canva and go ahead and get set up and go into the login page if you guys have a login page. If you've never used Canva and want to sign up, you just click sign up. You'd use your student email to sign up for this tool. Um, if you would like to do this project without signing for Canva, that's also an option. However, no, you should know that it will not save your data. So if we create this collage and we're going to print it out at the end, but if you want to be able to come back to it in the future, I would suggest creating an account. If not, it's totally fine. You can still do what you need to get done without it. Alrighty, so once you get into Canva, you click templates, or you can try searching. I always search collage just because that is kind of what we're doing. But if you'd like to kind of just start from blank, you have that option as well. So this is the very collage templates, which is very nice because you don't have to kind of, make up things on your own. You can use one of these templates as a guide. So I went ahead and created, well, I used the template, this one here. So it brought me onto this Canva create page. If I wanted to choose a different template, I still have the option to do so. These are templates I've used, and these are various other templates that I can comb through and see what fits the best for me. For this project, you only need one image. So some of these are related, like one specific image. However, I decided to use four just to add a more dramatic effect. So for photos, you just go here, click photos. You can, go out what's trending. You have the option to look at topics like Valentine's, family, or if you want it specifically, you can choose and write in which one, like type of pictures you're actually looking for. The cool thing with this is if you click it, you can drag it and use it here as a whole background, or if you want to replace an image in one of the templates, you just kind of hover over it and let go and it'll replace your image. The next thing we're going to look at is text. So if you click here text, you can add every text that they have on already, or you can create one of these little text headings and then it'll pop up here. So for instance, I use this one, and if you see here, the little box popped up and then I was able to put the lines of my poetry in there. If you click delete on your keyboard, it'll automatically delete it for you. You also have the option of clicking the text, and you can click whatever fonts you want to use, whatever size you want to use here, and it also gives you effects. So if you want it like curved or regular, like with neon, none, you have those options as well. And then finally, if you want to add a certain background text like color, you have the option there to do it as well. I left mine blank because I wanted the words to pop out in the pictures as well. And another thing, actually, you can use elements and you can add like little stickers, also topics up here. You can do lines. I added a bold line here to emphasize the separation between the lines because up here is more dark and here it's more, looking into the future and bright. Now, the last thing you do is you can click download. It'll suggest which ones to do, but you can do the PDF print. That's what I would recommend, or JPEG. All you would do is click download, and it'll automatically download it to your computer. And if you want, you can also share it with me. Oops, it's here. And hopefully that was helpful.